Back working on my 2002 GS300 with the 2J. Gonna be doing some maintenance, spark plugs, wires, coil boots and everything. But at the same time, I'm gonna be replacing some of the connectors on some sensors. As you can see, that's the MAF sensor, and the connector does not have the locking tab on it. So I'm gonna be replacing it with this one. It's just a pigtail I bought off of Amazon, and it does lock in place. So what I'm going to be doing is de-pinning this, I guess, connector body, and then re-pinning the original harness. So first step before de-pinning, you want to take a picture of the wires, like that, you know where each wire goes. So I got a picture of that. And then second thing is going to be, you need to get this little white piece out from underneath. That's what locks all the wires in. And I'm going to see if I get an angle of it, but these two, you can see there's two slots right there on that white piece. You got to get something underneath those two tabs so you can slide out this white piece. This is the de-pinning tool I bought, got it off Amazon, and we're gonna slide those two tools right underneath those two center tabs, and that should allow you to pull it out. Yep, you can see it's already coming off. There we go. So as you can see right there, those two center tabs have the holes in them, and that's what locks in to the locking tabs right there. Kind of hard to see. Yep, they lock in right there at the bottom. So now you should be able to go and push those plastic tabs underneath each pin down and get them out. So I got the first wire out. You can see right here, that plastic tab is what's holding the actual pin in place. So let's go to the center one. You can see that same plastic tab right there. I'm gonna get the pin tool in there and just press down on it. You can see that right there. You push down, and then it lets you actually remove the pin. So we're gonna do that 4 more times and be done with this connector. As you can see, we de-pinned all 5 wires. This is the new Amazon connector. And now we gotta work on de-pinning the factory one. So same as before, I got both my de-pinning tools under those 2 center posts, or those 2 center tabs, and we're just gonna pry that out. So same as before, I got both de-pinning tools under those 2 center tabs. I'm gonna see if I could just pry that out, same as before. So we got that to move. Now this entire piece should just pop off. There you go. And same as before, I'm gonna go underneath each pin and hit the locking tab. And that should allow me to pull the wire from the back. There goes one. There goes 2.
There goes 3. once you figure out how to unlock the tabs, this goes by pretty quick. Just gotta get over the wire. Let's put that next to it. So there goes that one. That's all 5D pinned.
And now we're just gonna insert these back. Currently repinning the new connector. You want to make sure you put each wire in the correct spot to not have any issues down the line. Let's see if I get a clear shot. Okay, so those pins only go in one way. You kind of see those two locking tabs at the bottom, right there. They go around the actual locking clip. So we're just gonna get this pin, push it in from the back, and that's it. Now we just gotta reinsert this white piece that locks all the pins in place. There you go. Your new connector is installed. Everything's repinned. We shouldn't have any further issues. So with the new connector repinned, that's the old one. We're gonna go ahead and start the car just to make sure everything's good. Car fired right up. Not giving me any check engine lights. Rev's fine. We should be good. Wasn't a difficult job, you just need the right tools. Pretty straightforward. Just be careful when depinning everything, when pulling the wires, because you don't want to break anything. But fairly easy job. I think pretty much anyone could do it. If you guys have any questions, just comment and I'll try to get back to you.